Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download footage on your VIOFO dashcam to your iPhone. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have the VIOFO dashcam and you want to go ahead and download the footage. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is you want to go ahead and turn on VIOFO dashcam. Now, once your VIOFO dashcam is turned on, you want to go ahead and hold the Wi-Fi button.
Recording started.
And then once you hold the Wi-Fi button on, it should say that the Wi-Fi has been in. Of your phone, go into the Wi-Fi, and then what you're going to look for is the VIOFO A119M2 Wi-Fi. So click on that. Now it's going to ask you for a password. The password is going to be 1234567 by default. And then once you're connected to the Wi-Fi, you should hear your VIOFO dashcam say that it's connected. Afterwards, click on Connect Camera, and then it should show your current camera here. Afterwards, click on the bottom left-hand corner. Now, once your phone is connected to the dashcam, click on the bottom left-hand corner, then it should show you all your previous footage. So afterwards, you can click on a video file and then click on the upper right-hand corner in order to download it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and download your footage from your VIOFO dashcam. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.